Yeah, thank you very much, Eloisa, for attending this short interview. So you're participating this week in the workshop on monitoring and evaluating the SDGs at IPDET. And yeah, maybe you can answer first the question from my side. How is your work actually connected to the field of evaluation, and what was your motivation for attending this workshop on the SDGs?
Thank you, Laszlo. Well, I actually work a little bit in the intersection between the economics and the evaluation. I am the monitoring officer of the Quality and Assurance Unit here in the Technical Cooperation Program of the IAEA. And as such, I set the criteria for project design, so to make sure that the structure and the planning will allow for evaluability of the project at the end. I also inform the system that we have, through which the projects operate, and also where the monitoring reporting. And I make sure that they considering the monitoring and the reporting also beyond the implementation and delivery of just our financial data. So this is the moment in which we are trying also to see or assess how nuclear-based technologies can promote the TC that we promote with the TC program, have an impact on the SDGs. So on countries and how they can apply it. So this is a perfect moment for me to have a little bit more of an in-depth understanding of the SDG and the monitoring of this SDG. That's why for me, this workshop was coming at the perfect time.
Okay, yeah, this is very good feedback. I will give this also to Wolfgang, the instructor then. And because we are directly in the week of the workshop, so what's your impression of the content and also the didactical approach of the workshop so far?
Well, the content of the workshop is impressive and is really embracing, is engaging, and is very, very interesting. The system analysis approach as itself is very important in understanding the complexity of the system and also to finding adequate entry points to generate the change that we want to generate. And of course, this can be applied to very different contexts. No, it can be applied to regional analysis, national sectoral analysis, but also institutional analysis, which is also very interesting from my point of view. I enjoy the independence of having all the material online, to be able to go at my own pace and read the materials, and also store some of the reading material for later. I also really like the contact with the peers and working in groups. On the improvement side, it also takes a little bit of time to really grasp the potential this methodology has and to work the tools through. I'm not the youngest, so it takes me a little bit time. So I don't know, I think maybe extending a couple of days more, like I would feel that now I'm ready to apply it. So I have to push myself a little bit to apply it a little bit over, with pressure. But overall, I think is a fantastic content and a good balance between theoretical and practical inputs.
Okay, yeah, that was also very good. And with view on your work, can you already assess a bit what will you apply in your work from what you have learned during this week from the content?
Well, for sure, as I just said, I will continue to work on the tools, because I think they're really good to portray the different sectors and also where the nuclear technology can have an impact as a leverage point. So that's something I will try to use and I will try to explore. And as I said before, at present, we are really looking at the approach in the sections, and I will present this to my section and brainstorm with them on how to apply it also for a comprehensive outcome monitoring framework that we are planning. So I think this is, as I said, very timely, and I see the immediate application of the approach, at least.
Okay, very good. Then that's it for the interview, and then thank you very much.
Thank you.